To record in his YouTube channel ever again, or in this one. So yeah, hey!
Jonathan,
What?
why did you eat all the chips?
I don't know.
Yes, you did. You do
I
know.
don't know.
You ate all of it.
They're birdie.
Hey! There's no bird. And he's coming. You fell in the pool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jonathan,
What?
why did you eat all the chips?
I don't know.
Yes, you did. I saw you eat all of
What's
them.
your favorite food or something?
I'm done.
Just tell me. What's your
No.
favorite food or something?
Get over here.
No, just tell me.
Spaghetti! There!
Spaghetti? There's spaghetti!
No, there's not. No, there's not. No, there's not. Boy, you better get. Better get.
You hit your head.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
And he's coming! That's what you get for lying, boy!
Yeah?
Yeah.
I did.
I'm gonna throw this ball at somebody when somebody comes. Throw it in the face. I'm gonna kill both of this.
Andy's coming! That's... I should cut your hand off. That's for you drawing the ball. Now bye! Parkour time! I tried to do this yesterday, but it was too dark. Ooh. See this is China. China! Look. China!
And he's coming!
Andy's coming! Are you okay?
You're gross. Oh, it's waterproof. It's not even going in my shirt. Right there. No more poop stain. Not doing this in the face.
Oh. There, payback. Fail.
You're gross for touching the poop.
Crowley moves. Crowley moves.
And he's coming! That's what you get for throwing poop at me. You're gross. Oh, he has poop. He has poop in his hand. You missed. You missed. You're gross for touching the poop. Ah, you're gross. You missed. You're gross for touching the poop. He's touching the poop. He's touching the poop. You're gross. I touched it. He has more poop. I'm really gonna hate you for this. You're gross for touching the poop. Get off me. Get off. Everybody's gonna hate you for this. Poop toucher! Andy's coming! Oh.
Yeah, you like that? In your face. It wasn't really Andy. Stretch time. Now it's my only way to touch. Finally. I'm time to touch.
Andy's coming! That's what you get. That's what you get. That's what you get for touching poop. Boy. Andy's coming!
Andy's coming!
You're supposed to fall!
Andy's coming!
Andy's coming. Who's that?
I don't know. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All of fun is to see one horse on the sleigh. I don't know. Coming. Okay.
Andy's coming!
Good.
You suck.
Beginner.